This is gonna be, no wonder y'all are gonna last. This is gonna be very interesting, because what I'm seeing here is, I'm seeing two things. So Taurus, I'm talking directly to you right now. Spirit is saying they need you to stop being so stubborn, okay? Because there's an ex lingering around you, and or you're still dealing with this person 100%, and it's time to let them go. I just thought about, it was a spread I did for you guys. I want to say, was it in May? And I picked up on April or May, and I picked up on this person. It was like a handwritten spread that I did. And this person's very manipulative. They used you. I just saw me typing your spread. So it goes back to this person. I need y'all to let them go, especially with this Mercury retrograde. If they try to creep back in and, they're trying to, bring out all the bells and whistles and, they're trying to plead their case, now, let them go, okay? The Spirit is saying you need to decide what you want to do, like now, okay? But, see, free yourself. You got to let them go, okay? Now, for others of you, if you, let me back up. For others of you, there's a past person, right? This person could definitely be the person that you're supposed to be with, but this person is very stubborn. They have a lot of ego issues, and they've been dealing with someone that they need to let go of, and they got to make the decision to do it, as far as freeing themselves as well. So it could go either which way, but y'all, I'm shaking my head because I heard this is, oof. All right, let's see what's going on, Taurus. Bottom of the deck, there's the Magician. Alright, someone's trying to stay positive. I'm gonna be honest with you. Didn't I just tell y'all somebody was draining y'all mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally? I feel like there's somebody you have to get away from, Taurus, or this could be your person needing to get away from someone. I feel like someone's doing something. So let's just see how this plays out. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I'm seeing that somebody's deciding not to move forward in a situation. Maybe this person's not moving forward towards you just yet. But they know that you make them extremely happy. But they're afraid that you're going to let them go. Okay. There's the Devil, see? Somebody needs to walk away from something toxic. I told y'all. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. They feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow, even though they do want happiness with you. And see, they're back and forth, because it's like 1 minute they're frustrated, but the next minute they're coming out of that energy. But they know that they didn't balance things out. They didn't do right by you at all. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. See, I told you, they didn't balance things out. And it's like now they want to come back and speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. Somebody could also be dealing with an Aquarius, but see, they're losing hope. They know you're not positive about them, see? And they're afraid that things may not improve. You just better come on out. Let's see. Things may not improve because of the past, And now it's like they're sad, but they have to speak their truth to you. Somebody's dealing with a Libra. Maybe they want to tell you they had to get out of some type of important document or a contract. Maybe they took a financial loss. But whatever it is, they're going to rush back in to talk to you. And they're going to be confident about this. They know that you're focusing on you and you're moving on. And see, they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer from them. Ooh. Yeah, honestly, y'all, I wouldn't even take it because this offer is sneaky. I told y'all, if it's not you, Taurus, cross-watching, you could be dealing with a Taurus, or Taurus is like you're a person and they're dealing with somebody else. It's whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But it's bad. I don't like this offer. They were being sneaky. They feel like you're not going to take this offer, but they're listening to their intuition. See, it's like they know they're going to get cut off, whoever this is, but they're still going to give you that direct communication. See, they made a decision, but then they go back. They're trying to figure out, okay, wait a minute. I know I made a decision, but now I don't know what to say. See, and this is why they keep quiet. They do not have a peace of mind right now, whoever this is that I'm picking up on, because they have a lot of decisions to make. Okay, could be dealing with a Virgo. This person, they were going through a lesson. Now they're trying to figure out what to do because, see, they don't want you to walk away from them. But your guard is up with them. You don't trust them either. You're over it. Yep. So they're coming out of their head, coming out of being frustrated because they want to have a new beginning with you. The thing is, they just don't have the strength to say that. I'm seeing a lot of 9. So, y'all, it's cycles that are coming to an end. So the thing is, this person can't sleep at all. You may be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, they had you waiting around. They messed up. And so now they're going to figure out what to do. But see, they can't make this decision. Because, see, look at that. They want to be with you. They want to have a victory with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. This combination came out just like this. I don't know about this card, but these two. Interesting. I'm going to be honest with you. When the Emperor jumped out, my eyes went to him side-eyeing. Like, he's sneaky. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. He's sneaky. So I'm like, no. Don't trust this offer. Listen to me. No. Okay? No. First it was Pisces for a couple months. Now I feel like it's about to be y'all. I'm about to be on y'all, okay? I might have to start popping up in y'all dreams or something. I said no. Don't do it. Just please don't do it. So look. This person left you out in the cold and they want to come back and make things right. They don't know what they want, okay? This is the problem. That's what I'm telling y'all. No, this ain't it. He or she ain't the one. Not this person. See, and they're having a hard time. I'm sure they're having a hard time making a decision. Going back and forth because, see, I'm going to tell you something. I feel like this person, I'm telling you, this ain't the person for you. I feel like this person, whether it's a love interest, friends, family, whoever it is, just take it. I feel like this person knows you're supposed to be with someone, like you're meant to be with someone else, and they're trying to stop it. Maybe they see you as the breadwinner, you know, or it's something along those lines. See, look, they're wanting you to move forward with them and not look back at the past, not look back at this other person. But see, they're taking their time. Why? The magician. Master no. Hell no. No, Taurus. No. This person is trying. I knew this reading was going to be interesting. Y'all, Lord, you better give me a headache. Taurus, look. This is a no for me, okay? This is a no. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio, but it's screaming manipulative energy here. Someone is trying to do something. They could be going to someone, paying someone. They're spying on you, okay? Jesus. They know you're upset with them, and they're afraid you're not going to talk to them because they were being immature and childish, but that's not going to stop them. This person is determined, okay? They are determined to win you back. But see, this is a lesson. This feels like some type of karmic lesson. And right now, it's like they're not moving forward with you. Didn't I just tell y'all this was a karmic lesson? This was I know I'm fussing. I'm sorry. This is karma. No. Do you hear me? No. Who did I have to pop? Not to pop y'all. Like, no. Okay? No. No. See, no. Hell no. I'm gonna just call this no. Oh, Taurus, there's somebody here blocking. This is karma. No. See, they're gonna try to come back with all the bells and whistles. I'm sorry. I hurt you. I'm sorry, I hurt you. I love you. Take this offer. It's good. And y'all better not trust this offer. Who am I talking to? Look, see, they trying to do whatever they can to clear away these obstacles because they want to have a new opportunity with you. Even at times when they feel like it's not going to happen. See, this person's very controlling. This person's controlling, and they're going to do whatever they have to do to take this leap to win you back. See, because they broke your heart. This person is not stopping at all. See? They're going to put in the work. They're going to do whatever it takes to win you back. But I don't like them, okay? I don't like it. See? They want a new beginning with you. But Spirit is saying there's no balance. Oh, I can't wait to get to y'all advice. No. This is a no. This is a big no. See, you either have a family with this person already, or they were in some type of family situation. I feel like they're still involved. Like, it's something there. They're saying no. Just just watch. Be careful with this person. Lord. They start a lot of drama. See, it's a third part. What did I just tell y'all? I told... It's gonna pop y'all. You better not. Taurus, come August, y'all spread better look completely different. See that? Look at that, 2 3s. I told you. They're gonna sit here and say, I removed myself from a third party. I did this, but they still got decisions to make. Nope, do not trust it. Y'all got me fussing. See, they're manipulative. My eye went to his eyes. They're sneaky. Don't do it. Don't do it. See, there's something that they're not telling you. Don't do it. Ooh, I got 2 men here. Let me tell you something. I told you this person was dealing with someone else, but I'm going to be... Okay, this is the thing. They're going to tell you that they got out of some type of third-party situation, but they're lying to you. They have not. They're still in some type of codependent situation with someone else. But the thing is, remember I told you, whoever I'm picking up on, they've been getting information about you. Whether they're intuitive themselves, whether they've been going to someone like a reader, someone psychic, they've been doing stuff behind. See, I don't know why. When I just happened to look down, my eye went to that snake. It's not good. I'm telling you. This person has been keeping an eye out on you, and whoever I'm talking to, this person has been told you have somebody else coming in. It's either somebody brand spanking new or somebody from the past, but it's somebody. You hear me? And this is the person that I feel like you're going to end up being with. They know it. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to do whatever it takes to stop it. Do not trust this person, because you will not have a happy home with them. And they're going to say, let's move slow. But see, codependency. No. They're going to say, I want to start over. I want to build with you. But their money is funny. You hear me? Taurus. I'm a Libra, okay? Some of y'all didn't know that. And as a Libra, I'm going to tell you now, I don't do the B words, okay? The B words to me, budget and broke. I can't do it, okay? And I'm sorry, y'all are hard-working men and women. Y'all don't do the B words either, okay? Broke where? We don't do broke, okay? We don't do broke. This person, they will take from you. Do you hear me? It's okay, y'all about to make me preach. Listen, we've all been there, okay? We're like, you know what? Everybody's not like us, We're hardworking people. We have money in the bank, blah, 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 blah. But it's cool. I'm going to date someone for who they are. That's fine. But some of us, and I'm raising my hand because I did it with my karmic. It was a lesson. You heard me say karmic. I went too damn low, okay? He ain't had shit together. So what I'm telling you is, this person here, I feel like they're codependent to you. For others of you, you could be dealing with someone that does have their stuff together, even financially speaking, but they use money as a way to lure you back in. You get what I'm saying? So be careful, because it's a no. This is a no for me. This is a big no, okay? See, you will not have a happy home. You won't. No, this is a no. But they're going to do whatever they can to plead their case. They want this relationship with you. Oh, I can't. Let's go to this advice, because this is going to be good. Oh, this is going to be real good. I haven't even decided what I'm going to title this. I said no. I might just tell y'all to get in here, because I don't know. No. Taurus, no. Bottom of the deck, you have the 5 of Swords reversed. So that's letting me know you're coming out of being frustrated with this person. Yeah, because they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back, okay? At one point, you wanted a happy home with this person. Maybe you guys were living with each other. Maybe for some of you, you have a family with them, okay? Some of y'all felt stuck. The 8 of Swords tried to jump out. Yeah, some of you could have a child, family, kids. If that's not the case, you just saw yourself being happy with this person. But I see you walking away. Amen. You're going to put in the work, okay? Back into yourself, because you are leaving this person alone. Oh, but some of y'all just won't cut them off. Or maybe they're saying you can't cut this person completely off because some of you guys have a family. Some of you guys do live with this person. Maybe you're stuck with them legally for some reason, but you know that they're sneaky. Okay. Oh, see, I have 2 kings again. So look. Either your person was dealing with you and someone else, or this could be someone else coming in for you. Now, regardless, you feel left out in the cold. Okay, so this lets me know. I feel like I told y'all, there's somebody else coming in for you guys, but the way this is playing out, you found out about someone else. And remember I told you this person was going to come back trying to say, I want this, I want that, I'm done. But there's something that they're not telling you. And what they're not telling you is they're still dealing with someone else and or other people. And so you're going to feel left out in the cold, betrayed. Yep, see? Because you have to put an end to that third party situation. Yep, there's communication coming in. Okay. You're telling him or her, I don't want a family with you. I don't want to be with you anymore. Let's see. But you're moving really slow to do it. But they're saying they need you to come out of being frustrated and free yourself. I see you guys being single. Ooh, you see how the devil just flipped out of my hands. Y'all, get away from this person. Clarify the devil. Get away from this person. You're seeing the truth about this person. They're obsessed with you. Someone is codependent to you. And you're hearing, or they're saying they want a new opportunity, but yeah, you guys are not going to accept this offer because the seeds you planted with them, you don't see them growing, and that's the final decision that you made. Taurus, because I was about to haunt y'all. I was about to come visit each and every one of you, okay? We're not going to see this next month, okay? So I need us all to collectively hold hands. We're going to kumbaya this out. This person gotta go. That's y'all homework assignment this month. They have to go. If you are talking to them right now, they have to go. If they come in before this month is over with, they have got to go. We're not gonna have this next month, are we, Taurus? I paused because I was waiting for y'all answer. Alright, so anyway, y'all know that I love you guys, but please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. Sometimes I hope it doesn't, but you know, just leave me some comments, y'all. But we're gonna have a better month next month, because this is good. I like this advice. Okay, this is wonderful. But they gotta go. Okay. All right, Taurus. We're gonna check in. It's all right. I'm gonna be doing y'all spread where I'm gonna type it out. I better see something different.